Namaste friends. In this video we are going to show you all the amazing and beautiful places you can visit in Igatpuri. We came from Mumbai to Igatpuri. It's only 3 hours of drive. The complete road, the way is absolutely beautiful. There are so many mesmerizing and scenic views all over the way. There are a lot of waterfalls also, which you can see even from the roads. And it was a very enjoyable drive. So now I'm at Camel Valley viewpoint, and over here the view is very beautiful. क्या हुआ? शिव का मंदिर कहाँ है? पहाड़ पे जाना पड़ेगा? नहीं यार, बच्चा हमारे पास छोटा. There is a Shiv temple on the top of this mountain. कितना ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा?
इधर से जाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
इधर से गाड़ी.
अच्छा.
ऊपर जाने के ऐसे सीढ़ी बनाई ले.
अच्छा. हाँ. ठीक है. बाय. We have come to Talgam Dam, and over here there is also one way to go to Shiva temple, which is Shri Kapareshwar Mahadevji temple, and I can see that they also have a cave over here. So in case if you want to go to the temple, it's 30 minutes trek up the mountain. Okay, so let's go to Talgam Dam. We are at Talgam Dam right now, which is only maybe 10-15 kilometers inside the highway when you are coming from Mumbai. It's a very beautiful dam and very scenic place. So it's a lovely place. When you are coming to Igatpuri, you should definitely visit this dam. We are at Bhavali Waterfall, which is a very huge waterfall, one of the biggest waterfall in Igatpuri, right behind me. And opposite to it is Bhavali Dam, which is a very huge dam earth-filled dam located on Bham River in village Bhavali. So this is in village Bhavali, that's why both of them are called as Bhavali. But it's a very beautiful place, very scenic place. All around on the mountains I can see there are a lot of waterfalls everywhere. It's a must visit when you come here, though this is a very famous picnic spot in Igatpuri. We are at Dhammaghiri now, which is located in Vipassana Research Center at Igatpuri. It's in the middle of the city and it's a Vipassana center for doing your meditation and Vipassana courses. I can see online that they have a lot of courses which you can do in meditation and Vipassana over here. So let's walk around the campus. We also have Ashoka Stamp here because Ashoka has dedicated his life spreading Buddhism everywhere across the world. It's also a branch and associated with the Global Vipassana Center in Mumbai. It's a beautiful and very peaceful place and it's lovely to be here. They also have an art gallery where they are showing Buddha's life. They have some parks over here, Buddha Park, and a lot of gardens and sitting area. It's lovely to be here. Okay. Veronica, आजा आप. कैमरा ठीक है. I'm now at Railway Dam and it's a very big dam. You can see behind me, it's a earth-filled dam and it's a very beautiful place to visit when you are in Igatpuri. The water is on very high level right now because of monsoon season. It feels like wherever we go in Igatpuri, we can spend hours and hours sitting over there, just spend time enjoying the view. We don't need to just sit there and relax. So all the places we visited in Igatpuri were like that. So we'll spend some more time over here and then we'll leave from here. Thank you so much for watching. We were just going through and we saw the railway station of Igatpuri. So beautiful railway station. They have made a gate